Hello traders, let's start our Sunday review, and today I want to focus on the daily charts. The reason is because we have very valuable changes in COT data on some currency pairs, and really the significant moment is that traders made a bet against the dollar. Hedge funds opened big position in some currencies and shorted the dollar index. Of course, we know it is because the Federal Reserve System is going to go dovish in monetary policy. The inflation become lower. Last data was that we reached 3%. It is not, of course, the target of 2%, but the decrease of inflation became faster even than expected. Also, we see how the economy slowed down, and it is the reason not to increase interest rates and even maybe to decrease them by the end of the year. So, to my mind, that information that I will show you now, it is more to use this willingness to buy currencies against the dollar or other assets can be used by the market maker who happily will satisfy this demand. And so we will have the possibility to join the market maker in our trades. I showed you in my previous reviews how to act on the 15 minutes chart, how to join the market maker's positions, analyzing the signs of imbalances which we receive with the help of order flow, the tick data, analyzing delta by the quantity of trades and volume of trades, also HFT volumes and the tick chart. And today let's take a look on the COT reports, because when these changings of the open interest, this willingness to open positions is very high for speculators, small traders or hedge funds, they are involved in the market. So it is the most interesting periods for the market maker to trade against these participants. So take a look on the euro. We see that non-commercial traders increased their position by 28%. It is very significant for euro. Moreover, open interest rose by 8.8%. You see on the chart that according to previous changings, it is very big changing of the position. When I see such situations, I take a median of the prices where this position was accumulated during the previous week and put the commercial level to take into the consideration the information that here non-commercials or big speculators bought. I even don't see for the previous 2 years such big changings in positions of reported traders together with open interest. What do I prefer to analyze on the daily chart? First of all, COT reports. Then I put here the option strikes. Analyze the open interest. It is added or liquidated. The third is big trades or block trades on the options market. They also often happen in some reversal points. So this information is very significant. On Friday, I see that put volumes, they were increased more than 3 times more than call volumes. So also market maker need to hedge this position because most options are sold by the market maker, and to earn the premium and keep the position delta neutral, they need to short the basic asset, or the main asset, so the futures. Then, traders, take a look on the British pound. Now I will show you that also open interest increased significantly in the British pound, and hedge funds added their longs. Look on these dynamics. The market really increased from the lowest historical drawdown of the British pound, but hedge funds even not closed their positions on these market highs. They added their longs. That's why the emotional pressure here is very, very strong. And as you know from the Larry Williams books, that on the market tops, hedge funds or non-commercials, they have the biggest longing position and the hedgers shorting position. And if we look on the COT index, we see that not only hedge funds are extreme buyers, but also the black line small traders. They are together have the biggest long. So if they only start to close their buys, the market can start falling faster. So when some levels will be broken, we can see some crashes on the stop losses and automatic market sells. Because in panic, these trend following buyers will liquidate their positions. The strongest bullish tendencies are on euro and on British pound, because if we look, for example, on the Japanese yen, we see that speculative traders close their shorts, which were accumulated and open interest felt. Or, for example, on Canadian dollar, we don't see such important changings, or on Australian dollar. New Zealand dollar open interest rose a bit, but more on small traders, because commercials and non-commercials, they decreased their position. It is also a very unique situation, because very rarely that hedge funds and hedgers go to one direction, and they do it by small traders, which open buying positions. Let's take a look on disaggregated report. Let's leave only non-reportable positions, and we can see very big increasement of buys on this price falling of the small traders. And very often when small traders buy on the price falling, the prices fall even more. So I really expect the same on this asset, on New Zealand dollar. Then silver, you see amazing buyers, 146% increasement of speculative buys, and open interest rose by 24%. It is the quarter of total open interest. Then almost on the market top, we saw imbalance in block trades on options market, and after such imbalances, we also often have corrective movements if they happen on the market tops. Especially often we see such market imbalances on the options market in gold. If we have even small correction, but it can be very sharp, and also we can have even stronger correction. Here we see also on market tops such called block trades, and after these block trades the market made very valuable correction. So to my mind, in silver we can go lower also after such willingness to buy, which we see in non-commercials positions. So traders, be very attentive. The next week can be volatile and interesting. The COT reports, of course, you can see not only in our platform. We got this information from the cftc.gov. It is Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Here we open commitments of traders. Then Chicago Mercantile Exchange, we focus on futures and options combined report. Short format, it is when we take only commercial and non-commercial traders and small traders, non-reportable position. Also open interest, which we compare with the positions from the previous week. But in TVT, of course, it is more convenient to analyze this data, and also we can see the disaggregated report to look for all groups of traders and their dynamics. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful for you, please put the like button, subscribe to Volume Trader TVT YouTube channel, and see you on the other side the next week. Goodbye.